Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Today we're going to remove the airbag, driver's side airbag, on a 09 Honda CR-V. And to start the procedure, you disconnect the negative battery terminal, and I like to wait more than 30 seconds. The manufacturer says you can wait for 30 seconds. I like to wait for at least 2 or 3 minutes. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the little access door here for the connectors to the airbag. Set that aside, and you'll see the connectors up in there. I'm going to pull them down. Pull it up. There we go. So here's one of them. It has 2 locks on it. It has the black half ring here, which is a safety ring. So you have to push that up and push down on the clip on the top at the same time. Great. And then our second connector is the horn assembly. I'm gonna get up in there and see if I can get that down. There we go. And I'm going to disconnect these two by pushing on the 2 equal tabs on both sides and separating it. And now I'm going to use a T30 Torx socket, and I'm going to remove these 2 mounting bolts of the driver's side steering wheel airbag. I'm going to take that out, loosen it up, move to the other side. And once these are out, we're going to tug on the airbag. It should be just come right out. It's going to be the center pad here. Now, we just have to fish our wires through. Careful, not to snag. And there is our driver's side airbag. So to confirm that I'm going to slide these down through the access port on the bottom. Make sure they're clear and out of the way, and I want to pinch them. Then I'm going to line up the mounting bolts, sliding pins with this airbag right in the center. Give it a push. There we go. Now I'm going to just confirm, make sure all my wires are, yep, out of the way. And I'm going to put the 2 mounting screws on first. That's a Torx T30. The first one I'm going to guide through right through here. I put a little slight pressure, as you can see, on the actual airbag. That helps the bracket seat itself. Now that that's threaded in, these get torqued down to 7.2 foot-pounds. Now with my torque wrench set to 7.2 foot-pounds, there's one. There's 2. Now we're ready to go down below and make our connections. All right, so now we're going to connect our airbag connector and this other connector. I think it's the ground. we're gonna put them up inside where they connect, up out of the way. Now they're snapped into place. They're safe. We can put that door on. So you see 2 tabs. 2 tabs in, 2 tabs there. But this side is curved, so this side's gonna go up, inside, and push. And now we're done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.